Hi, my name's Keith Cooper of Northlight Images. This is another short video and a sort of series of ones about bits of kit I use for my work. Now remember, I'm a commercial photographer, but I shoot in a lot of different locations, and one of the things I found very useful, both for powering computers and for recharging camera batteries, is a power bank. Now a while ago I looked at this 65-watt one from AsperX, and I can tell from the dings and marks on it, it's been in a lot of my bags and things, and it's useful. It's got a display on it, does it? But this is a new one that I've been using, and I used this the other day when I went down to Epson's demo centre, which is not far from Leicester here, about 10 miles or so. It's an AsperX. It is a much heftier one than this. I mean, this one, yes, you could put it in your pocket just about. This one, no, you couldn't. This one has hefty batteries in it. Now, this is it actually powering my laptop, so MacBook Pro, and I needed to keep it charged up, and also yeah, it'll last for a while, but it gives better performance if it's running off a power supply, and I didn't have a socket to plug it into here. So it's got a display on it, and it gives you the amount of charge, the amount how much capacity it's got, and various things. Now, in terms of the specifications for it, let's just have a look at this, because I could never remember all of this. It has masses of ports on it. It has, you can put 60 volts input on it to charge it. It's got a 12 volt 5 amp output on it. It's also got USB-C, USB-A. It does high power, and excuse me for just reading the specs on here. The USB-C, it does full power up to 140 watts. It recharges my laptop completely in, I think it was about 3/4 of an hour or so. Can't remember how low it was, but it was getting a bit low. But it's got all sorts of outputs. Maximum output is 200 watts, so you could actually charge two of the USB ones here. You could charge two laptops at the same time. I've got to use it for a few more bits and pieces of kit, but yeah, it is solid, and it works very well. Now, one other feature of it, which I initially thought, yeah, bit of a gimmick, because it's intended for sort of camping use and stuff as well, is that if you pull up the top here, you get this sort of white rubber thing. Now this turns out this is a lamp. You can use it as a lamp. Now, why was that useful? Well, it turned out that I'd been at Epson for about 3/4 of an hour, and I'm just making a printer profile on one of the printers, testing some media, and we had a power cut. So here it is. I thought, oh, hang on, pull this up and put the light on, and if I remember rightly, I just press the light button, and there we go. We have it. Just make sure it's still. You can have it brighter than this as well. But there we go. It will, according to the specs, it will last nearly 2 days at this level of light output. It doesn't switch off if you push the top down. So you do need to actually switch it off. There we go. Anyway, another useful bit of kit. This one goes into my stuff when I'm doing work, like, you know, when doing printer profiling, testing, various things. If I know I'm going to be at a place for a fair while, maybe, and I need to recharge batteries, and as I said, quite often, because I do industrial photography, I don't have necessarily access to mains power, so just having something as hefty as this for the occasions I need it, it works very well. And yeah, I never thought that I'd actually make use of the lamp feature in it, but yeah, and as a handy little carry strap as well, which is just as well, because it's quite hefty. I mean, this has got a lot of batteries in it. Anyway, there you go. Another one of my series of bits and pieces of kit that I take on jobs with me. I put some notes about it with the full specs and various other bits and pieces, and a link where you can get it and things like that. Not an affiliate link, I should add. I don't do affiliate links on stuff like this. Just useful bits of kit that I make use of sometimes. Anyway, thanks for watching. If you've got any questions, just let me know. Bye.